Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that all of you are fine and enjoying your lives as well. This is going to be the 10th lecture, and we have been discussing presentation skills. And in presentation skills, we are discussing the topic of confidence, how one can develop confidence, how one can build confidence, and how one can appear confident before the public. I have discussed with you some of the tips and techniques for developing confidence. Right now, in this video, I'm going to elaborate number third technique, tip, or whatever you call it. So, the third technique to build the confidence is acknowledge the three audience truths. Before going to talk about that means before going to present your presentation, before going to face the audience, a presenter must acknowledge the three basic facts about audience, the three basic truths about audience, that what audience expects, what audience thinks, and what audience acknowledges when you are on the stage. One of the first truths is this audience believes I am the expert. Now, I have told you many times that when you are going to present something before the public, when you are going to talk about a particular topic, that means you are not going to tell them about the ideas that you even do not know, or you even do not, you have not worked on those ideas. Definitely, you researched on the topic, you went through different books, you searched different websites, you talked to many friends, you took help from the teachers. Therefore, now you are able, now you are capable of delivering an effective presentation before the people. It means right now you are an authority on your topic, you are an expert of your topic. Audience believes the same. Audience believes that the person who is the speaker of the topic, the person who is the presenter of the day, the person who is going to talk on the particular topic is regarded, is known, and is expected the expert and authority on the particular topic. Why? Because that person has researched, that person has worked, that person has gathered information, that person has gathered different ideas. Those ideas are reliable, those ideas are authentic one. Therefore the audience believes that you are the expert of the topic, you are the expert of presentation, you are the expert of public speech, you are the expert of that particular day, because you have worked a lot. So this is the truth that you keep in mind, that audience knows you as an expert. Audience does not know you as a student, audience does not know you as a classmate, audience does not know you as a you know director of the organization, audience does not know as the member of the community. Not at all. Audience knows you as an expert when you are on the stage. So this must be kept in mind. Number second is they want me to succeed. Once audience knows you, that you are an expert, then each sentence that you will speak, each expression that you will present, the piece of information that you will pass to them will be authentic one, and they will believe and they will rely on your each piece of knowledge, each piece of information, each piece of information that you have shared with them. Now, audience tries the best to make you successful in your presentation. They want to see you getting success in your presentation. Although there are certain people, there are certain persons in the audience, they seem annoyed, they seem exhausted, they seem uninterested, or they don't seem to pay attention towards you. It's a general phenomena, it's natural. but most of the people in the audience want to see you successful. They want you to succeed in your presentation. Why? Because if you will be successful in your presentation, definitely the audience will have their goal achieved. Audience will have their aim materialized. If they think that you are not going to be successful, if they think that you are not going to be an expert of the topic, if they think that you are not going to do wonders and marvels by the dint of your presentation, they will not boost you, they will not encourage you, they will not motivate you, they will not inspire you. Why? Because they know that you are going to be an unsuccessful presenter. So audience always wishes, wills, wants to make you successful. Later on, the third truth about the audience is they don't know what I am going to say. I have already told you. You know the best about your topic. You know that whatever you will tell, it will be authentic one. Why? Because you have researched. Why? Because you have worked. Why? Because you have contacted many people to make your topic material look attractive, interesting, and effective. Now, audience does not know whether you are going to say correct or incorrect, because they are not expert of the topic. They are not authority on the topics. But it's you who is an authority. It's you who is an expert. It's you who is going to tell whatever you tell. Audience will know that one is correct. But it does not mean that you will go there with the uh, useless material, with something that does not appeal the audience, does not catch the attention and interest of the audience. Definitely you will try your level best to catch the attention of the audience, because audience will believe whatever you say, audience will believe whatever you tell, audience will accept that thing as a truth whatever you present before them. So these all things must be kept in mind, that when you are on the stage, then audience psychology, audience need, audience demand, audience aim, audience perception ought to be kept in mind if you want to be successful presenter. I hope that I have delivered my this lecture successfully. If you have any question, if you have any query, if you have any problem, you can ask me through your resource person. Till that, stay blessed and stay safe and stay at your home. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.